mention one item, second appeal. But it has been already admitted by the honorable bench, read by the Supreme Court. And
Mention.
Mother Mary omitted to mention my lord. This matter, my lord, kindly I have mentioned for extension of entry. My lord was kind enough to direct the matter to appear as to be mentioned today. And unfortunately, my lord, where I inquired that neither my skill is here, not the matter was. I don't know, my lord, what has happened, my lord. My lord, I don't know, my lord. That is why my lord was kind enough, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, tomorrow is the date, my lord. That's why it is. My lord, I need 24, my lord. I have already inquired. I number 24, my lord. As because I is not here. Kindly, my lord. My lord, make the my lord, kindly, my lord. I needed to mention because books are submitted.
Close.
To direct the matter to be under the heading to be mentioned. Because matter has been seen for mediation place, then it was the to be estimated that it was sent to local law. It was not taken, they return back, recording written back to the let me give the to the
Does it permit to mention one application and one is for withdrawal lawsuit? Just to application for settlement of majority and this is hello.
my lord, may I permitted to mentioning for a divisional inclusion?
division matter.
Yes.
So is it an assignment matter?
No, my lord. It matter is your lordship order.
Personal announcement on level of
Assignment matter or partner matter. This matter cannot take up. This bench cannot take it up.
বলো
Make sure before the bench having.
আনলিস্টেড করবে নাকি বলো no
may I be permitted to mention one matter? To file the matter before peace of the matter of circuit bench. Urgency is there, my lord. Their cross objection, my lord. Only for filing, not my lord for hearing. Only for filing. So matter will be sent, my lord, within 2 days, my lord. That is why, my lord, I am paying, my lord. Obviously, my lord, but circuit bench is not in session now. That is why, my lord, the liberty has been granted, my lord. Yes, but that is why. No, if I, my lord, the liberty is given, my lord, to me to file, my lord, then the file will be sent to the circuit bench, my lord. Then, my lord, I could be mentioned there for listing. That is, my lord. Only this. File, my lord, I have to go there, my lord. That is why, my lord, I ready. Matter is ready for filing. In the main matter is there, my lord. What is the cross of the
All matters are fine. At the base talking there, if you are doing an XP person, I could have taken it up. Otherwise, you merely for the purpose of finding, you have taken it up. You have to move to that.
No, I will not come back for my lord for hearing. That is the. My lord.
Lordship,
With regard to item 52, that I am for the appellate, I am paying 1 week time. 52. My lord. I said inform you.
some for upgradation lordship. The matter was fixed on 13 January. Mr. D.N. Roy appearing. Item number 121. So matter was not taken up. So consequently, to be mentioned for this. Lordship said this week, but earlier I mentioned the matter. Lordship said,
May I have my lords kindly to mention stay applications and my lord and one application, my lord, wherein the time to deposit.
Order number 1.
Opposite party number one. Eight legal service authority, the two five payments have been made on or before 28 February of 2026 for compliance with the
Superman cost is some nature code.
মোট কত কষ্ট হলো
10,000
before 28.
28 একটু বাইরে টাইম
Some extension be given, but I say.
আচ্ছা লিন ফার
23rd. I will be given the 23rd. So do it within this 10 days.
আচ্ছা Diane for the appeal and ballot. Sir, approach Alon is appearing for the State ballot today is in ballot. And on Friday it was there ballot, Mr. Alon was not there, they could not. But just now I have talked with him over telephone. He said that it is come. Is it possible, ballot then? Number 9.
Well, 9, 10, and 11 matters. All are small matters. Are tagged together for analogous hearing. Well, unfortunately, I am submitting to your lordship, my lord, the claimant's respondent number 3. Yes, my lord. I filed one appeal. Other two insurance companies filed separate appeal, my lord. Well, one for my lord, Mr. P.K. Pahari, another Mrs. Gopadas Mukherjee. My lord, one of my clients, my lord, respondent number 3, my lord, expired. I know. Few days ago, I have just learned, my lord, yesterday night, so I have to take steps. No, my lord, I have to from Jalpaiguri, my lord. So your lordship kindly make it out of list. So they have to come with yes, my lord. That
ওই তো পাহাড়ি
liberty to mention. Liberty to go out of the list. For the page, I have to take step. My lord. My lord.
Millard item 12 Millard is active for some time. So my check is there to deposit in terms of the disposal of Millard. I could not deposit. So kindly grant me 3 days or 7 days time. Millard, I'll deposit this check. I'm on the respondent note in terms of the disposal order. I was supposed to. Millard matter was disposed. Millard the month of April 25. But Millard Because what is happening, the order is being uploaded, though it shouldn't be being uploaded much later. And thereafter, since the question of deduction of TDS is there, insurance company request the claimants to give them this PAN number. At times that also takes time. But in any event, check is there. I was saying, yes, yes, lots of order. Respondent insurance. Below 23rd April, 3rd April 2025. Grateful to you. Yes. Let the order be uploaded because the department will be asking for the audit. Yes, yes. Extremely grateful to you. Extremely grateful to you.
My lord, I am led by Mr. Harajan Banerjee. I am praying for not for my lord. Yes, ma'am.
Before my lord takes up the other matters, my lord, so there are fixed by the democratic people and after my lord,
The dates may be fixed in item 3, Milord. Milord, that's 7 on 17th, Milord. Milord, item 3, Milord. Yes.
Milord, we were only praying, Milord, he's from outstation. Milord, will kindly fix up another date so that he can go back and we will come back.
Please.
Milord, maybe on 17th, if it pleases your lordship. Milord. Item 3, only item 3. Milord. Item 3 only by the chole so date the fees. Grateful to your lordship. Extremely obliged.
Thank you.
My lord, item number 14 for fixing the time. 59. Item 14 lordship. 14 lordship, it was fixed on 5th of February as 2 p.m. matter. So certainly it's come as to be mentioned. Lordship, kindly fixed any date, lordship. I am for the applicant. Respondent last occasion appeared, lordship. Paperwork has already been prepared. No, lordship, I will intimate him. Under 15 and 16. 15 and 16, I appear for the respondent cross objection. The paper books and feedings are complete. Kindly say date and time.
Yes, grateful.
Item 17. Item 19.
19, my lord. This appeal was, my lord, settled before Lok Adalat on 13th December 2025. But it has come before your lordship for report, my lord. So my humble submission before your lordship is that it has already been deposited. My lord. At the time of taking stay, it was deposited, my lord. Entire amount with interest. It was settled for a total sum of rupees 20 lakhs, my lord, out of which 8 lakhs were already paid. They have withdrawn. 12 lakhs were they have to withdraw. Withdrawal application has already been filed, my lord.
We have deposited it on.
My file may kindly be sent immediately to the FMA department. FMA. Come here, please.
My lord, this is appearing at my instance. I mentioned this matter. My lord, the appeal has been compromised in the National Lok Adalat by the appellant. It was from an order passed in a motor accident claim case. Now, I am representing, the claimant. Now, after they have deposited all the payments, my lord, I have got the order. The FMAT is said to be disposed of by the appeal of the insurance company is disposed of. They have deposited all the payments in terms of the first court's order. When I went to, my lord, withdraw the payment, my lord, I was informed by the department that I have to also withdraw my cross objection in the appeal.
My lord,
No, appeal was disposed of by Lok Adalat. Yes. Yes. But there is no mention of the cross objection. I now want to withdraw it. Yes. এটা আপনারা করিয়েছেন? আচ্ছা, পেমেন্টটা কার কাছে আছে? ডিপোজিট রেজিস্টার জেনারেল হাইকোর্ট ক্যালকাটা কি করেছেন? ড্রাফট দিচ্ছেন না? চেক হ্যাঁ, আপনার দরকার নেই। আপনি একটা উইথড্র স্লিপ পাওয়া যায়। হ্যাঁ, যেহেতু আমি ডিপার্টমেন্ট থেকে কথা বলে রেখেছি, ওরাই বলে না আপনাকে উইথড্র স্লিপ দিয়ে জমা করতে হবে। হ্যাঁ, আর এই ফাইলটা নেই। কত? 62, my lord, 62.
But there is no mention with regard to the council. Done it advocate for the
Clement.
Responded. Number 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
1 and 2 submit that he has instructed withdraw this cross objection from the facts of circumstances. This cross objection COT 62 of 2025 stands disposed by one prosecution.
Obliged.
The entire matter stands settled. Let the matter of the list and the same department.
Deep look. Wonder only one thing, instead of lordship has recorded there are 2 respondents, instead it should be 3 respondents. 3 and deep look. ये दिएছো? হ্যাঁ, দিয়ে দিয়েছি। এইখানে আমি দিয়ে দিয়েছি। আপনাকে না হাতে দিই। এই বিষয়ে
This has come up at my instance. Lordship, this matter was fixed for hearing on 4th February at 3 p.m. my lord. But on that day, since the other side was not there, Lordship was pleased not to take up the matter. I am for the petitioner, Lordship. My lord fixes up a date and the interim order is expiring on 11th of this month, my lord.
learned advocate for the this appear on 24/2026 at 3 p.m. The hearing order granted earlier has suspended for a period of 6 weeks or till further notice.
Published.
Learned advocate for the other side of this side.
Well, instead of 3, can it be 2, my lord? So that I get more time, my lord. I can conclude on that day, my lord. My lord. Published.
Not today.
26.
25. Milord 25, Milord House. I may be fair Lordship, Milord, with a similar prayer. Milord, let this check be deposited with the department by this week, Milord.
Yes, when the order was
Milord, order was, Milord, on the 13th of March 2025.
just record and notice. Order
13th March 2025, Milord.
be compliant with amount our last track. The our exam and extended till 30.
Extremely obliged, my Lord. Blessed, blessed, my Lord.
Yes, deposited intimate the other side.
Yes, Milord, other side is there.
Yes, my lord. I am appealing for the appeal.
Grateful to my Lord.
Number 26 and 77. 26 and 27, my lord. My lord has already heard this matter. It was appearing as at 10:30 probably on Friday. We have given our written notes. My lord will kindly make it CAV. And my lord, one is my appeal, one is his cross. Yes, yes. I have submitted written notes.
I leave it to your lordship. Their prayer, full prayer for the one is for the my prosecution lordship kindly dispose of accordingly. I am not facing more. So whatever lordship will think, kindly dispose of the issue. And also only submission kindly record that the learned tribunal not granted interest, kindly granted interest from the date of filing. That I believe that Mr. Yes, that prosecution on in this
Only confining to the judicial candidate God.
yes, in the prosecution. Yes.
Interest আমি দিয়েছি আর interest from the awarded sum from the rate of আমার ইয়েতে আছে written notes আছে grateful my lord deeply obliged হচ্ছে শান্ত
Lord, I am.
Lord, the claimant is the petitioner before your lordship. My lord.
the dead body which was not recovered so there's no the body could not be recovered. This was a Ganeshwari accident. Ticket was traced out, ex gratia was paid, but then the final compensation, since there was the dead body was not there, there was no.
Yes, that was the
From the ticket he was given the ex gratia, but the death certificate not being there, from the ticket he was given.
learned tribunal also held that I am the bona fide passenger, Lord. That is the observation. Lord, kindly come to page 37, last paragraph of the paper book. Thus, from the above, it is noted that A. Haldar was a bona fide passenger of 2120 Ganeshwari Express on 27th day of May 2010 in A3 compartment. His body was missing and ex gratia was paid to his father, Dibakar Haldar, but no death certificate has been issued. The respondent railway has also not admitted this case, though I find there is enough evidence to show that A. Haldar was a bona fide passenger of the Ganeshwari Express and his name is figuring in the list of the missing person and the ex gratia amount has been paid to his father. But in absence of the death certificate, I am not in a position to conclude that Divakar Haldar expired due to the incident. Lord, the Haldar expired in the incident. Lord, in a similar circumstance, similar case, the tribunal has granted blood the relief. This is the blood judgment.
No. Railway authority all immediately after the accident, there was a
5 lakh.
name is 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs.
5 lakhs. No, the 5 lakhs page is 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs.
Name is 4 lakhs. Yes, but no, but the problem is that since there is no death certificate, and the tribunal has held that I am not competent to issue a death certificate. So once the death certificate is able to get death certificate from the competent civil court, tribunal take up the issue. That's not required. So he has been granted ex gratia on the basis of the ticket. But now it's not ex gratia. Then he came for a claim. And got whereby this, my opinion, is not in power with the right on presumption as per evidence that tribunal has got limited power, and therefore the applicant should approach proper judicial authority for declaring Shankar Haldar is there and then approach the tribunal. It's not that he is cut my learn. It's just that impediment. It's just that impediment that he has filed a missing diary, as I find from page 17. Logical kind of diary letter certificate from the commission. Authorities have found logic. Incident was of 2010. Here we are in 2026. The presumption ran and it's clear. From their list. They have a list. They have a record. He has already traveled by that.
No.
That is why it was given ex gratia. But now the last one certificate is there. And the railway tribunal has kept the issue open. Produce a death certificate, then the compensation. So that can logical direct the court to issue.
In a special circumstance, normal court, yes, civil court. But on their inquiry, on the basis of their ticket, they have already issued
the ex gratia, they issued the ticket, but there has been, I mean, the dead body has not been recovered, there has been no accident. That is what. Because the tribunal will find I can't act on presumption. Therefore, Lordship will kindly, because they have filed a missing dead diary. So it's that I find. So he can, on the basis of this, it can be safely presumed that he is died as a victim. So let Lordship kindly pass necessary orders so that he can obtain. Then it's a civil court.
I am showing their own order. Lord, that is the same tribunal has passed the order in respect of the same accident In respect of the another passenger, blood the claim petition, blood that was allowed. The same tribunal. Blood দিদি আমি আপনাকে দিয়েছিলাম আগের দিনকে একটা কপি। And blood regarding my death, death of the blood the victim, kindly come to page 14. Blood this document has been marked as exhibit. Page 14 of the paper book. আপনাকে আমি দিয়েছিলাম একটা ওই কোটে দিয়েছিলাম of the paper book, Lord. That is the certificate issued by the Gram Panchayat. Then, Lord, kindly come to page 17. Missing the ID. And this is, Lord, the beneficiary. Blood missing the ID, that is the that was blood the given by them. And not only that, Lord, the kindly consider one thing. This is the bill. My Lord.
By the father.
With the.
By the father, by the appellant. Yes.
Without. That is the. Blood, so many person was blood, the body was massively blood damaged. Blood, nothing can be blood found on that particular blood from this spot. So many person, my lord, knows the aware of this fact. So many persons expired on that particular day blood incident. Blood now and I have given the one copy to my lord on previous occasion. If it is not available on the record, then I shall give it.
If they are agreeable, I'll just.
দিদি আমি একটা জেরক্স করে না আমার কাছে নেই
I shall. People kindly direct me to bring the regulations regarding
accident.
Grateful.
My application, Lord. This is a case disposed of on 4/9 of 2023. I am praying for two correction. One is number 5 claimants. Claimant has attained majority. And further, Lord, the name of all the claimants, father's name in the claim written as Manjet Sheikh in the memo. Lord, Mr. Sanjoy Pal. I inform them that I have to inform. Not to them, I shall inform. No, no, no. Can 2 of 25 আছে can 2 of 25
For the state is one.
can 225 আছে
Not having for the state is one. Substitution and one stay application. Stay application.
30 and I'm for my application. The side is not here. Reply. Actually, contesting defendant, try to reply to the. Your Lordship, kindly see your Lordship's order dated 11th December 2025. In connection with this appeal, an application was filed for injunction, and your Lordship passed this order. Yes. Yes, sir. Copy already. Yes. Opposition. I have filed reply.
Private is content as well.
Actually, today he is not here. Partha Bhattacharya. Today he is not here. Yes, interim order is continued. Next. Yes.
Not one line order. State is one. State is one.
I am for the appearing. Yes. Respond number.
That 4, 5, 7, 8, 17.
Well, that is in the order. You will kindly see the order dated.
5, 7, 8, 17, 20, 21, and 23. And thereafter, my lord, 26, 30.
Yes, my lord. Actually, my lord, some respondents were not traceable. That is why I made an application for expunging them. Your Lordship passed this order. No, already that part has been over. That part has been over. That part is over. 17. February.
Much.
17. Actually, this application be disposed of in terms of the earlier order, and appeal be expedited.
Lordship, I beg to appear for the respondent number 1. The Lordship, on the last occasion, there was a direction for preparing the paper book. We have prepared. Lord, CAN 1 is the insurance company's application below. This is just the application. Lord, it was disposed of. Lord,
CAN 1 perhaps subject to correction. Learned senior, my lord. CAN 1 perhaps stay, my lord.
Stay, yes.
Absolute. Last occasion, I pointed out that certified copy was not given to me from the department. Then your lordship was pleased to call for a report from the department. But my lord, there is a substantial changes. I obtained a certified copy. I prepared the paper book. An advance copy of a paper book I served upon the appellant. My lord, this is the copy of the.
Can dispose of it.
Stay absolute. Can you? The short date. My lord, I have served upon a copy upon my lord.
All matters 10:30 minutes. I'm sweating, Milord, now. I understand, Milord. On 24th, Milord.
Your third's point, my learned senior's point is very much limited. What I gone through is that regarding one income and parent consortium was awarded to an amount of ₹1 and a spouse consortium. Great.
32, my lord, I am appearing on behalf of the appellant insurance company.
The application can do is the application for withdrawal of the awarded amount. So that can be heard along with the appeal. Thus, if here the appeal paper by the insurance company.
My lord, will fix up a date. Paper books are ready.
Thus, already 11 years lapsed.
No, I preferred the appeal in 2024.
Can that be heard along with the appeal? COD is there, lordship.
Let it also appear in the list. It's not appearing. Everything is filed. Ready. আরে বলো না নম্বরটা।
আচ্ছা, 141 2020. Really?
Grateful, my lord.
Mate, please, Milord. Milord, this is my appeal, Milord. There are two applications, Milord. Can 1 is section 5. Can 2, Milord, is a stay application. Milord, I'll be candid, Milord. I could not serve, Milord. This section. Milord, the only difficulty is, Milord, 12th February is the execution date before the lower court. I'm appealing for the appellant, Milord. Appellate respondent, Milord. Appeal, Milord, they have filed the MACC claim case, Milord. 166 Motor Vehicle Act, Milord, they maintain an application. No, I'm representing the respondent, Milord. An ex parte order was passed. I'm the vehicle owner. No, Milord. My lord, that will be deposited, Milord. Kindly grant me some time. My lord, I'll deposit, Milord. Kindly give me some time, Milord. I have checked up the provision, Milord. The father of the petitioner died, Milord, so he's in dire requirement of funds. Some time is required, Milord. My lord, only one request, Milord. 12 is yes. স্টেট জন্য তো এমনি নামি পরে
I appear for the respondent, madam. Somalo Ganguly is appearing for the appellant. Sir, Somalo Ganguly is appearing for the appellant, madam. Not.
I am appearing for the petitioner insurance company, my lord. Yes, my lord. Can 1 and can 2 both are my application, my section 5. Yes, my affidavit of service. There is a delay of 9 days, my lord. And we have also deposited the statutory amount. Yes, my lord, I have served.
Case number 59 of 2009 for a period of 5 years. The appellant along with interest as directed by the Lord has excluded the tributary amount within the period of 5 years. In the event the entire award is not in the period of 5 years, the mandatory order of is invest the amount from bank to bank.
Grateful, sir.
I'm for the appellant, my lord, insurance company. On the last occasion, can 1, section 5 was condoned. I have served the copy. This is affidavit service and I have deposited statutory amount. I am praying for stay. Can 2 stay?
For respondent number, yes, 1, but
Yes, madam, for the respondent number 1 claim.
respondent number 1 as the appellant of rupees 25,000, that the injury order of stay of the judgment and award dated
19th May.
Marked by Mark. Along with interest as directed by the market excluding essentially amount in the period of 5 years. In the event the entire award is not 5 years, granting the order of stay of this application.
Section 5, can 1, section 5, can 2 stay? And delay condon. Yeah. Delay condon on the last occasion, 15th January. Service করেছি। I have
delay may not be not yet condoned by. You know, can you take delay may be condoned. Can we see that, my lord? Most probably not yet.
there was direction of to serve. I have served.
Really? But delay is a condoned.
আচ্ছা স্যার বুঝলেন লেখা নেই No, second time. 15th January 2026 it was heard. 2026.
Directed to the south.
Let it be called.
Grateful, my lord.
My lord, this is insurance appeal. Appearing for the first time, my lord, there is a condemnation of delay application as well. My lord, I have served. My lord, I was praying for interim stay. I made the statutory deposit, my lord. Statutory deposit কোথায়? হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ। Yes, yes, madam. I have filed my affidavit of service with your lordship.
Yes, recorded on.
শুধু দুই আমার আছে স্টে আর 3 নম্বর আছে ক্লেমেন্টের অ্যাপ্লিকেশন আছে Obliged to your lordship. My lord, can 3 my lord, my lord, Mr. Ali Imam Shah, he had appeared. He had filed, my lord, this objection to my condonation. That was there. My lord, delay condonation, my lord, that was there for that. My lord, this, my lord, 38 is also, my lord, my appeal. Appearing for the first time, my lord, I have served. I have made the statutory deposit. There is a condonation, my lord, delay of 10 days as paying for interim stay. Can one is condonation.
Yes, recorded on.
তিনটের পর ওগুলো তিনটেরটা করে আর তারপর আবার স্টে ঠিক আছে পরে 30 মিনিটে ডেকে নেবো না স্টে শুধু Extremely grateful to Madam. Milord, item 5, Milord, Mr. Roy is for the other side. This is the appeal of insurance company on the ground of, Milord, main ground of non-involvement. Milord will kindly take it up tomorrow, Milord, at 10:30. Grateful to your lordship.
Marked at 10:30.
Okay, number 39.
39.
Lordship. Lord, wherever it will be tomorrow, I'll do it. Whatever position. ঠিক আছে। বাপরে বাপ, আবার আমার
No, Lordship, kindly, we are suffering. Otherwise, don't. It's already 16 years, 16 years. Remain in the same position, not today. Lordship, fix it, then another date. Because today, Lordship, fix the matter of 3 p.m. for hearing. Today, Lordship, my humble submission, let it remain in same position. Kindly, my very Minakwa's request before Lordship, remain in same position. Very well. After that, I will come. After that, there is no time fixed. There is no time fixed. Guys, kindly see the list. There is no time fixed. So after that, I will. After completion of 10:30, I will come.
পরশুদিন করবে এমন কিছু নয় টাকা তো জমা
Number 39.
39 my lord, my application my lord, praying for stay my lord.
পুরো দিতে পারছে না এই চক্করটা খাটতে হবে আমরা কাজ আমি কাজ
There is no delay my lord. delay হয় কন্ট্রোল হ্যাঁ শুনুন স্টে delay has been controlled. A permanent number has been given. FMA number has also been given to it. Yes, yes.
সময় আছে
My lord. Yes, well, the copy is not here, but I have the only original copy. The Xerox copy is not here, my lord. I have. Well, deeply obliged.
Number 40.
Lord 40 is insurance appeal, my lord. It's appearing for the first time. Lord, I have made service, my lord, and I have made the statutory deposit as well. Can 1, my lord, is a delay, 9 days delay, my lord, as per my calculation. Condol, my lord, condonation. That is, sir. Lordship, can 2. Return in amount of Mirror, your lordship will kindly have a look at my copy and then mirror.
Not sure. Bless your lordship. Lord Canty is available. Just there in the file. Wait for him. Milord 41 also is Milord my similar application, Milord. Same as Milord this 40 as being point in mistake. May I file my affidavit service, Milord? Milord condonation is can 1. Yes, yes. Milord Cantu is there. Milord, I will have my copy Cantu. Cantu 7 तारीख की फाइल है 7th January. Report your lordship. No, no, one copy. How much can it be? Obliged. 42 million is my application. Monday. But as third million, I have made the statutory deposit. There is a delay of 5 days, not as per my calculation. Extremely obliged, your lordship.
Forty-three, my lord, I am appearing on behalf of the appellant insurance company. There is no delay, my lord. This is the photocopy of the challan, my lord, for statutory deposit. I am praying for stay. ঠিক আছে
বেকার along with interest as directed by the law and the event the entire awarded fund take 5 weeks. The identity order of state proposal of this application. Register General High Court Calcutta and review the same from time to time.
Grateful, my lord. Forty-four, my lord, same as 43, my lord. This is the 44, same as 43.
No,
My lord, Mr. Mondol is appearing on behalf of respondent numbers 1, 2, 3, my lord.
I have also papered one cross objection, madam, being court 10 of 2026.
Can 1, my stay application.
Yes, learned advocate for the appellate insurance company and learned advocate for respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
Yes,
Learned the application was paid by the appellate company. As the appellate there is an added order of state of the judgment and award dated 27th day of November 2025, passed by agency case number 20 of 2022 for execution of 5 years. The appellate conference has included the entire awarded sum along with interest as directed by the learned trial court within 5 weeks. The event, the entire awarded sum is completed within 5 weeks. The identity order of state focus of this appeal. Learned to invest the sum deposited in a fixed deposit of a nationalized bank and bring the same profit.
No, my lord,
CO2
10 of 2026.
10 of 2026, a year after 5 years.
5 weeks. Then, my lord, I shall prepare paper.
Paper to be prepared by the respondent number 1, 2, and 3. Here is the
45, my lord, I am appearing. There is no delay, my lord. Can 1 is my application for stay. This is the copy of the challan.
Learned advocate for the appellate company is present as the appellate 25,000. There shall be an adequate order of state of the judgment and award dated 18th day of November 2025, passed by Learned Additional District Judge. ABC case number 2 of 2025 for a period of 5 weeks. The appellate company has reported the entire awarded sum along with interest, excluding the statutory amount, as directed by the learned trial court within 5 weeks. The event, the entire awarded sum is reported 5 weeks. The adequate order of the state is the proposal of this application. The Register General High Court Calcutta requested event to come deposited in a fixed deposit from time to time.
Grateful, my lord. আর দুটো হলে শেষ। ইস 46, I am appearing, my lord. This is also, there is only stay, my lord, application in this matter.
As the as proposed it is free amount of 5,000, there shall be adequate order of stay of the judgment and award dated 3 of October 2025, passed by Lorry. Additional judge first and order because the discourse order is one six of 2019 for a period of 5 law. The other important company that the entire accounted sum allows the teacher and directed by the learned clerk to execute within 5 years. Now, if the event the entire sum is associated with 5 weeks, the adding the model of staying when the amount deposited in a fixed deposit or nationalized bank and review the state from time to time.
Grateful, my lord.
What is the
47, my lord. This is also for stay, my lord. There is no delay, my lord.
For the average as the average municipal company has deposited the amount of 25,000, there shall be an adequate order of stay of the judgment and award dated 28th day of November 2025, passed by the additional judge. First track Ali Housing Department number 180 of 2020 for a period of 5 years. So, the appellate company has imposed the entire awarded sum along with each other as directed by the learned trial, excluding the statutory deposit with 5 years. So, the event the entire awarded sum is deposited 5 years, the additional order of stay according to the of this application. The Register General has the amount
I'm extremely grateful, my lord. Deeply obliged.
Yes,
Lordship, I am for the petitioner, my lord. This is a substitution application upon the death of the sole appellant, my lord. Lordship. 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 This is my service, my lord. এটা হচ্ছে ক্যান আপনার কি ওল্ড ক্যান কি করে বলবো টু দিয়ে তো দেওয়া আছে ওল্ড ক্যান ওল্ডটা আপনার ইনজাংশন অ্যাপ্লিকেশন হচ্ছে এটা 2 আর 3টা হচ্ছে এখন Lordship, can to, there are some delay, my lord. So we have can 2 is substitution application, and can 3 is my lord for explaining the delay ground, my lord. Section 5 application, can 3. Lordship, petitioner died in the year of 2018. Thereafter, my lord, COVID came, my lord. They could not contact with us, my lord. So delay ground has explained their, my lordship. The appeal preferred, my lord. Lordship, kindly allow at the time of hearing of the second appeal, we will serve notice to them, my lord. For substitution, my lord. She was served to the parties, my lord. They have received, my lord. Maybe my someone is appearing, my lord. No, my lord. Lordship. No, my lord. No. Lordship. Section 5 is for, my lord, substitution application, not for any limitation period, my lord. That we have to calculate, my lord. But no. But they are all delivered, my lord. To whom shall I serve, my lord?
with them.
My
Lordship, I'm appearing for the appellant. I'm praying for a not today.
50 is my appeal, my lord.
Good.
Yeah. Lordship, I think the reply is already filed on the last of on previous date.
I think the opposition.
Lordship, I will just give a brief background. My learned friend's client had filed a civil suit seeking declaration and injunction. Declaration to the extent that a particular graveyard only belongs to the locality of that area for the community. That suit, and we are injuncted from seeking an injunction against us that even though we belong to the same community, we cannot bury our dead within that graveyard. Yes. I'm just giving a brief conspectus of the matter. Lordship may see the appeal has been admitted on 25th August 2023. Lordship got that order. Because there the substantial questions of law has been set out. Appeal is not ready for hearing. Lordship directs that I may prepare the paper book. Second appeal paper book, so it will be very small, only the 2 judgments. His suit was dismissed. In appeal has been allowed. And after that, challenging which I am before Lordship. And this is an appeal for 2022. There has been a stay has been granted of the impugned order, allowing us to bury our dead for the time being. There are certain other troubles, criminal cases, all those things are going on. I'm not going into that. So, in my humble submission, best course would be, because there are certain law and order situations are also getting cropped up from time to time. Best course would be to maintain the order of injunction as it stands today, maintain the order of stay which Lordship has passed, division bench passed, and subsequently Lordship had extended from time to time, to maintain that for a limited period of 3 months, and within that let me prepare the paper book and let the appeal be heard out. Because very interesting question of law will crop up. I have already filed my reply to that in the previous occasion. Reply is already on record.
But it was affirmed on 2022.
For hearing of appeal. I'm much obliged, my lord.
Yes.
I'll prepare the paper book and serve upon my feet.
One.
Lord 51, my lord, I beg to appear for the applicants, my lord. Lord, this is my affidavit of service.
Please for respondent 1A to 1I.
This is my affidavit of service. Lord, there is a delay of 262 days. My lord, two grounds, my lord. One, I would pray for COVID-19, that judgment, my lord, where almost because the impugned judgment, my lord, which I have challenged is passed on. My lord, judgment of a first appellate court is on my lord 13/7/2020. Then almost my lord 2022 till February 13/7/2020. My lord, February last, it starts from March. According to my calculation, my lord, it's my lord, I filed it on my lord, it's filed on my lord 2nd February 2023. My lord, almost my lord, it's 180 days, my lord. And my lord, I initially appointed a learned advocate, my lord, subsequently he passed away, my lord. My lord, देखिए आप मेमो टा देखिए. I ought to have filed, my lord, March 2020. Instead of that, my lord, I filed it on, my lord, like 22 February 2020.
No proper explanation given.
It was, my lord, explained, my lord, the COVID-19 as well as, my lord, I appointed a learned advocate, my lord, the documents were handed over, my lord, he expired, my lord, then, my lord, the certain, my lord, the delay was caused due to that, my lord, particularly, but I can't, my lord, fix the responsibility upon a, my lord, learned advocate, my lord, but main reason is for the, my lord, COVID-19. And that judgment is of, my lord, is miscellaneous application number 21 of 2022. The Honorable Apex Courts judge. And my lord, the fact is, my lord, it's.
Yes, madam. I want to file an affidavit.
Because it's my suit, I failed to prove that. It's not that my learned seniors favor the suit has been decided. My lord. On the monthly list, right? Can it be on 5th, my lord? 2 is a monthly list. 2nd March. Yes, yes. Daily list of monthly list. I'm like grateful, man. नाम लिख दीजिए. मतलब reply if any, मतलब. Yes. मतलब great. Great.
See. Applicant, my lord. Leave to prefer the instance second appeal. Every service is there, but could not. Early location probably present. Mr. Samanta was there. Yes, that is. No, my lord, it is not that. It is not that matter. There is a direction, though there is appearance on behalf of the other side, my lord. He is supposed to ask for the application, intended to object the same, and the another set is appearing. We are appearing. As your lordship pleases, my lord. Two questions, my lord, whether section 5 is at all applicable before innocent leave, granting of leave to prefer the second appeal. He is spent. Yes, they intended to contest. I do not know whether ultimately what their stand will be.
According to my lord, subject to lordship's consideration, as because that is leave between the court and the appellant, my lord. That is, I am not the obstructing him.
One of the parties are not.
As your lordship. Lord, make to appear on behalf of the respondent petitioners. Yes. This is below the matters that's entry and exit point of the car.
This is a supplementary affidavit showing the status of the car.
Now,
It expired in 2003.
Last occasion, there was a direction by your lordship to file opposition. Yes. Exception against opposition there and now reply of our. Yes.
This is my supplementary affidavit to my exception. Not my exception. They filed exception. I filed an affidavit against that, and they filed another affidavit against my affidavit. He took out an exception to that and he filed a reply to the my objection. This is a supplementary affidavit showing that the car is. Yes, my lord. But I have served already 2 days back. Last week. I already served.
After filing this objection, they have
I have
in
taken
fact
a plea there.
serving.
No, not new points. Their car, admittedly, not new.
No, they are showing tax and other things. My lord, I have some answer.
That the car is with
I have some-
locked by the PWD with effect from 15th of September 2003. Suit is of 2012. That is their car. That is only they say that they moved the car in 2024. The car has been standing still from 2003. That is the document from the Department of Motor Vehicles. That much I wanted to rely on. Supplementary affidavit. And their name is appearing. Sridham Sarkar. That is the respondent. এটা একটু সাহেবকে দিতে হবে। একটু ফোন করতে কি বলছে দেখি। হ্যাঁ কেন না কেন তো ফাইলই ছিল can 1 was my stay, can 2 was their bracketing of interim order. নাকি can 3 আপনাদের ছিল স্যার can 2 was for stay of the execution. It was already on record on the last occasion, my lord. Exception they have given already, sir. Oh.
So many documents are there, my lord. Several direction was there to file several opposition and reply, everything. And yes, yes. I'm representing 1 to 7. Replied, I just now handed over. It just dilam.
আমি
No.
রিপ্লাই যেটা দিলাম এই মাত্র যেটা দিলাম।
এখানেই আছে, আগের দিন লিস্টে ছিল, আগের দিন ছিল, এর আগে অর্ডার হয়েছে।
by us. Not only Sridham, but respondent number 1 to 7, I'm representing for all.
Opposition, yes.
Last
No,
opposition,
that's-
opposition they have filed. Thereafter, your lordship directed me to file the reply against that opposition.
To my original, that my lord is
That
requiring
is
right
new
now.
document that order that has never been passed, but
ঠিক
they
আছে,
have-
আরে may I just take the record and file, place it.
আমাকে
I am giving it by date, my lord. সরাও, এটা সরাও। This is the affidavit, my lord. Water can put on. অন্য কোনো ফাইল আছে? এটা অন্য কোনো ক্যালকুলেটিং তো অর্ডার হয়েছে, আগের দিনও অর্ডার ছিল। না আমি বুঝতে পারছি, এটা ঠিক কথা। It's best. Time to make. যেভাবে সেট করলাম সেভাবে এটা সাইড রাখো।
This is my reply went from the paragraph number 11, page 4 also. Page 4, paragraph 11. They are objects.
May I just আমি বলে নি স্যার, আমি অ্যাপেলেন্ট আমার অর্ডার
Paragraph 11.
নামটা এই যে সিদ্ধান্ত সরকার কোথায় লেখা আছে 2014? ও নিজে বলেছে।
শুধু সই করে এটা শ্রীরামচন্দ্র সরকার এইখানে শুয়ে আছে কবেকার জন্য কি বলতে পারছিস কোন তথ্য তাদের কেটে গেল পাসওয়ার্ড জানলে তো কিছু আচ্ছা 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 মালট হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে
Yes, yes.
That is your car.
Yes.
Part of the property. And the obstruction by it is part of
In front of the land which I have purchased, 886.
Now, my lord,
And
kindly
887
kindly
my
comes to the
residential
report
plot
for once.
Is not what.
What he is submitting is beyond.
May I be permitted to say the brief fact?
But-
Position is not 887 and in front of 887, 886 is situated. Because my residential plot is 887, just after the entry point must be 886 because there were no other specific space to enter in my 887. That is why my predecessor interest purchased that property from their predecessor interest long back in the year 1976. Thereafter, name recorded, everything happened. Now, after the death of Ruchiram Parvi, that is their. Yes, yes, that is only and that has been, that has been croaked, Milord, after the appeal court.
Now, my lord, kindly comes to the report for once, my lord. I'll show one thing submitted by the respondent himself before the special officer. My lord, kindly comes to internal page 7 of the special officer's report for once, my lord. The report filed by the special officer, my lord. Reportটা দেবেন না না my lord, kindly comes to internal page 7, that is the field report. My lord will find at the left portion Sridham Chandra Sarkar. My lord will find a signature from the page 7. My lord, that is the respondent, that is my learned senior friend's client. Now, my lord, I will kindly see ambassador car has been lying being number such and such in front of the suit property which has been standing there since 2014, said by the opposite party number 2 Sridham Chandra Sarkar. That is the respondent, that is his client is saying the car is there since 2014. And the said car is not in a running condition, which will be substantiated by the document I produced before your lordship from the motor vehicles department. Now he is saying the car was in a running condition in 2024. One of the appellant, respondent himself admitted that the car is not in running position prior to institution of the suit. 2014 admission there is. Now, what happened in the meantime that they did not procure these facts before the trial court, before the first appellate court, suddenly before the second appellate court, they were intent to move their car. Which is no, he says, but the appellant,
My car, Milord,
but the respondent says that car was there from 2014.
For 40 years. I want to park it in front of my car.
No, that was that I have taken point. That is not even material. That is my part of my dwelling house. They have not dealt with it. That is the specific reason my lord had granted them liberty to file reply to my opposition. I have stated. No, the materials were there. Because yes, my lord, kindly comes to my opposition for once. Opposition to his exception. Now, what he's submitting at the moment, his suit might as well be decreed. He says he's in possession of 887. 887 is not even the suit dog. Yes, that is the substantial question of law before your lordship formed by the division bench. Whether he can claim at all permanent injunction without having possession.
No, I am not claiming any injunction.
By way of this, they are claiming possession.
They have obtained it without suppressing the material fact.
Yes. Well,
That is, my lord,
no
very
caveat
clear. was
was there. Second appeal.
That is very clear, my lord.
Yes.
That is there, but my lord, so far as the admission, before the admission, the cause of action not started before the admission, when the appeal was decreed. In the year 2022, 2023, the appeal was decreed. Thereafter, I have been obstructed. My car has been obstructed. My free ingress and egress has been obstructed. Free ingress and egress doesn't mean by people, but also the car. Your lordship kindly see 2023, the appeal was decreed in my favor.
This is a order praying for their modification.
I've been obstructed. Even there was no appeal pending. Second appeal, no.
Second appeal was pending.
Maybe pending, but they did not choose to admit it before the appropriate court. That was pending. They have obstructed, and my lord, I have lost complaint. The complaint is very much there.
Kindly come to internal page 6, my lord, of my affidavit, which I was submitting. This is a modification.
So far as the supplementary affidavit, my lord, they are now trying to show tax and other things. The car has got. Now, my lord, if I am saying that this thing, even I want to remove my car from my property.
That is even illegal.
First of all, where from the car has been entered, if there is any process, there must be an entry point of the car. Suddenly, the car has not come from anywhere without any passage.
I have explained that in my affidavit. My lord, kindly sees.
No explanation.
What they are suppressing.
That they are trying to make out the new case.
Locked by
There is no other alternative passage.
2003.
They are trying to show the alternative passage of other 40 years.
Even if he somehow salvages the car, it will not run. It has to be sold.
I'm asking myself, my car was there. The car was there. The ownership of the car is admitted. There must be an entry point of the car. Even if there is no taxation, nothing is there. Car is lying. If I try to not sold the car in scrap.
Better yet, my lord, let the second appeal be heard in the meantime, because that is the substantial question of law formulated by the division bench. Since they have admitted to not be in possession. My lord, yes, my lord, kindly sees that order of admission. It is there in the can, probably they have annexed it.
Lord, they have not made a case in their written statement that their petition interest, Muslim Parliament never sold the property to our petition interest, because that the deed has been executed in the year 1976 is court. That was their case in the trial court. Now they have made the third case in the second appeal. At the stage of second appeal.
Well, the vehicle is not a third case.
They said that at the time of order 41 admission, they have said that the mutation has.
My lord, kindly cease. Yes, my lord, kindly cease, my lord.
The partition has not been done.
Order 2. Yes, my lord, kindly cease the third substantial question of formulated. And the second one as well. Whether in the teeth of admission of PW1, they have admitted. May I just read, my lord? The plaintiff respondents having no possession in respect of the suit property, the courts below are justified in granting a decree of permanent injunction. My lord, got it, my lord? And the decree, whether the courts committed substantial question of law in decreeing the suit in absence of prayer for recovery. They are not in possession. They have admitted that. Now they are trying to get into possession by this car. This is second appeal. A new case is being made out. This is a substantial question of law.
That is, very clear.
No, because their ingress and egress are always there. They have admitted that they have no problem coming and going out of the suit. They are residential house rather.
We are not on that point.
The vehicle was there since 2003 when the car was stopped. Yes, my lord, yes, my lord, I have dealt with it. My lord, kindly consider a moment. There were 3 separate entries at one point in time to the suit property. I'm just finished. There are 3 separate entries.
New case.
No, not new
This
case.
is absolutely new case, your lordship.
Very well.
No
There's
entry has been stated, even not in the supplementary.
Yes, my lord, there's 3.
areas are
May I
there,
just finish? This is why I submitted. May I just finish before? There are 3 separate entry points. His own family members. No, it is there. My lord, kindly seize the report for once. Yes, it cannot be removed from my own property. Yes. Yes, my lord. Seize the report for once.
Is there any other?
Report ta koi. Yes, report. Yes, my lord, kindly comes to the report, my lord, connecting the suit property. My lord, kindly see internal page 3, paragraph 2 of the report. And I found an old ambassador car such and such in ruinous condition. Opposite party number 2 said that the car, that is the appellant, car is standing there in 2014 in front of the suit property. Said car has not on the kacha or pakka pathway, and also a small entrance measuring about 3 feet on the left hand side, which is free from obstruction, as such allegation made by the respondent number 127. That is the alternative path from where they brought the car initially. After that, yes, my lord, kindly comes to the photographs. Yes, my lord, internal page 3.
Yes, sir. Having you accepted that the car is in a position to move from other pathway?
No exception.
This observation is not there in
No,
that the car, that there is an alternative way for the car to move. Suppose today the car is not in a running condition. Tomorrow it is brought to a running condition, or that is the place of some car has been brought in. So from where the car will enter. So this inquiry does not find place in the.
Then no way, my lord.
Number 1.
Admitted position, suppose the court accepts that yes, the car is not in a running condition for 2014, it is still there, okay. So very well, now the question is, suppose some other that car is to be replaced, some other car is to be brought in, okay, or the car is to be restored to its original condition. From where the car will go, so that position where the materials are there, so some other alternative would be there.
There is no material.
These things. That place is good.
Yes. No, my lord.
Well, that finds a place in the report. My lord, kindly see internal page 3, bottom paragraph.
My lord,
He has stated.
my lord, no alternative, my lord. But my lord, yes, my lord, as per my photographs, my lord. Photograph देखिए तो रास्ता में
তো ওদের বাড়ির লোকই তো অন্যদিকে কনস্ট্রাকশন করে করেনি তো ওদের বাড়ির লোক করে one more. Kindly comes to page 3, bottom portion of the report. Internal page 3 of the report. Bottom paragraph. in front of the suit property, I found a ruinous ambassador car is standing, and it's in the left-hand side. There is a pathway which is measuring about 3 feet, through which the respondent number 127 used to ingress and egress. Yes.
Thereafter,
There, come, please let me finish.
next line.
Let me finish. There is no obstruction of their ingress and egress. I had not found any bamboo and wood materials pried in front of the suit property. It's crystal clear. It's a crystal. No, no, even I.
Now, the
And I have not piled up any wood or bamboo material. That is the report. No, not my lord. No, that is my part of my property. That is my dalan ghar and my. Yes, there. It's a road in the village. Not every road is available by car, because the car passed from his own relatives. No, it right now cannot move from my property. I have to demolish my own property. Because there's a tree in the inside. It's all in pakka structure. My lord, I have stated in my report. Opposition, kindly cease for once. There's a temple there.
In front of the car, my lord, there is no wood material, my lord. But
Dana.
kindly. Page 49, my lord. In my picture, my lord, page 49.
Page 49.
They can do.
Yes, ma'am. Page 54.
Point number 3.
The lordship kindly see page 49.
Regarding point number 3, what is the point? Whether there is any other alternative equation?
No.
That we have stated that there is no other alternative equation of the response.
Yes, ma'am. Note 40, my lord.
That is there. So whatever is there, we are passing through that pathway. But over point number 3, regarding 2, there is no obstruction.
Yes, ma'am.
Respondent number 1 to 7. So for point number 3, there is no other alternative.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
In front of the two property. In front of the two property.
So property means, that means building, my lord.
Yes.
And page 54 and 55, my lord, card, picture of the car. And that left side, my lord, is 3 feet, my lord. Page 53. My lord. Part, my lord, part 887 and the tag number, my lord. Car. In front of the part 887, my lord. Building. Ingress and egress, my lord. No place, my lord. I found, my lord, no place, my lord. No, my lord. Car. Towards building side. No, the party is the party. Party is the. Yes, madam.
The lordship kindly see page 49. That will clarify the
page 49.
The lordship will file right hand side. That is the suit property.
Both sides, madam. Both are identified, madam. This is the road, madam.
This is the pathway, not road.
Pathway. Pathway. Yes, madam. Both are identified, my respondent and appellants. Both. Yes,
That is possible.
And thereafter, yes, madam. 3 feet more or less, my lord. Yes. Page 50, my lord, kindly, my picture, my lord, last antenna, last portion, antenna. In front of the antenna, my car is standing. And thereafter, big tree. Right there.
He can,
Right there.
my larger friend is there. Therefore,
Page 6 of your.
Yes, 6.
কি বলেছেন?
Six. Property, my lord, drilling.
No, not property building.
Identify the division.
ঠিক আছে, ফুড প্রপার্টি বিল্ডিংটা নাও।
53.
54.
Yes, man. 53 is the car. Back side of the car, many trees. Page 39. Yes. Page 50.
There is no picture of car, so we such a car is kept.
My lord, will see the road leads to the car. That road leads to the car.
Leads to the car.
At the back end of the road, there is the car.
your lordship will understand where the car is standing. Kindly look at page 50. Your lordship, if your lordship can see the this antenna.
Yes.
In front of the picture, a very small
This
antenna. Yes, yes, that is where the car is located, and that is the pathway. And your lordship, can you see the right hand side? The plastic, tail, the bamboos and other materials, garbage, everything. And this is, they are saying, this is the construction.
Even if there was no construction, the trees are there, which is not certainly from 2024. In 2 years, there is no tree, the tree comes in. It's a photo. My lord, no, my lord, no, I have depicted those. My Dalan Bari, my Gola Bari, and my, may I just,
Dalanbari and Golabari. I beg to
very well. আপনি দেখেননি হয়তো। মানে ওই গোলাবাড়ি where I store my raw produce.
Page 50, if this road goes straight to this Calcutta, here is the car kept.
Yes.
Up to the picture of the car. So I think if we look straight to the discontent, this is the place to take this car will come.
Yes.
If that page 50 and 53 read together.
Yes.
So 50, then this page, if you look straight.
Yes.
At the back end, should be the this car will be here.
Yes.
In page 50, my lord will find a small pillar in the middle. 50, both. My lord will find a, yes, my lord. Yeah, absolutely.
That page 50,
Yes.
it goes to the end.
They will find a small pillar that is not
50, that is right up to the end.
End.
Where the picture of this one.
Yes.
Here the car is kept.
Yes. Find a
So now I come to 53. This is the point.
Yes.
Start from that.
Yes.
Using a running condition. If it is a car will do. Or in front of this car is the building. From which way? From the back side or from the front side? The car will go.
There is no my lord.
Yes.
There is no my lord in a way, my lord. I saw the one.
There is no way for the car to now.
এই বিল্ডিং গুলো আগে ছিল। এগুলো পড়ে যাচ্ছে তখন তো কিছু
Car is standing, minor car, there is no way, minor thing.
My page 50, my lord will find other properties which were not in construction back then when the car was put in by them. It's their own family members who have constructed over the non-suit plots. So right now they want my suit plot, my plot to move their car. Page 50. No, this is very well.
Their predecessor sold it to me. And after that, we have recorded our name, everything is there. The observer gets the degree from trial code and appeal code, if that is so. Yes.
আমি যে মোটামুটি পথ দেখিয়েছি কিন্তু এখানেও রাস্তা ছিল এই বাড়িটার মধ্যে দিয়ে পাওয়া যাবে না তো ঠিক
Page 50 is very much clear. If your lordship can say page 50 by this way, then your lordship will be very clear.
Supplementary affidavit টা দিয়ে
ওর সাপ্লিমেন্টারি
Yes. Page 50, I'm here. The tent, these plastic tents. Now the car has got entered without whenever it is.
whenever it is.
Whenever it was entered, it was entered, rightly, wrongly, but that.
I intend to file an application for perjury then. They have affirmed it on affidavit that 2024 they moved the car.
I have
On affidavit they are lying before your lordship.
Many years back.
Yes, 1994. That on affidavit they are suppressing facts.
2024, because of this, illegality of the appellants.
2000.
Repeated in two courts.
Let them get the car up and running. If the government actually allows the car to be up and running. Yes. Ingress and egress. Ingress and egress we have always learned, man. Ingress and egress with regard to the.
Cannot dictate how I could not run my car.
Yes. Yes.
After considering this, can three is.
There's no prayer.
Last occasion, I have submitted to this court. Whether ingress and egress only to the human being. No, you're not the kind of thing.
Let's seize the prayer.
Last occasion, I have submitted to your lordship.
Seize the prayer in
camp. The learned special officer was directed to not observe there whether the ingress and egress has been obstructed or not after considering can number 3.
Yes, the
so can number 3 is clear. The egress doesn't mean always the human.
They have stated remove the bamboo and wood material in front of the suit property, enabling the petitioners from ingress and egress smoothly from the residential house. No mentioning their application for modification. They have never stated there is no prayer. It's a second appeal.
Page 49.
Order 41, they are not required to be heard.
49, there is a map. 49. Property, there is a map. Both parties might not identify it, but the suit property might not. That is one.
এটা কোথা দিয়ে এলো আমি দাঁড় তো
886 এইটা
Can see.
এটা তোদের বাড়ি
I have pointed out this 49. This is the map. And there was a note where 49 can. Can 2 नहीं मालूम.
Can 2 নেই, can 3 আছে. Seize the prayer for once. Here's the prayer for once, my lord. They intended to show before lordship, they have no right to move, nowhere to move at all. Now they are coming with the ambassador car, which is not even in existence. Second appeal. Page 13. Page 13. For the petitioners to get ingress and egress.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, petitioners means I. Ridiculous with that.
Yes.
If I want to use car and get access.
Not everybody has a
say-
right to write a passage in a vehicle, village, my lord. It's a village road, not a.
Petitioner, human being can get access.
My lord, I reside in Park Circus. Even I keep my car even 5 to 10 minutes away from my own residential house because I don't have a place to park my car in my residential house. This is a village rather.
The petitioner access means my learned friend says only petitioners access. His card will not get entered. This is ridiculous.
Why didn't you point it out? Please.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Yes, your movement is clear.
They have admitted it.
Your movement, the officer has stated that there is no evidence.
They have
Your movement. Now the question is your car. That yes, yes.
That is not invasion. I am asking myself.
Pathway in the pathway.
Grateful, Lord.
Car is there, very well, but unable to put the car. Now the question is from which side the car is.
Page 10, page 11, paragraph 10. I will explain. Ingress and egress doesn't mean only the human engines. Yes, that prayer is there. Prayer is there. Ingress and egress of the petitioner.
Now only your car. That's
Your Lordship, can you see
because
page-
your movement is concerned, there is no evidence.
No, I have seen that. Your Lordship, can you see-
No, your case concerned.
Ah. Yes, my lord.
Your Lordship,
Now
can
the
you see-
present case is, yes, you are being able to move.
My
your
car is.
Your Lordship, can you
Yes.
see
Grateful.
page 11, paragraph 10. Nagpur, as per. On and from April 8, 2024, the parents-
গাড়ি হচ্ছে না কিনা তো
Then, page 12, last portion of paragraph B. Paragraph 10. As such, on and from April 8, 2024, the present petitioners were unable to move their car from their house, from their own house, at plot number 887, causing undue hardship. Of your petition.
Kindly read it with page 51. They are on complaint before the police authorities. 51, that is their complaint before the IC. Bottom portion, এই নির্দেশ সত্ত্বেও বিবাদী পক্ষরা এত তারিখ সকাল হইতে জমির ওপর অস্থায়ী ঘর তৈরি করে তাহাতে জ্বালানি কাঠ সংগ্রহ করে ডিপি করেছে মহামান্য আদালতের আদেশ অমান্য করে ওদের উদ্দেশ্যে আমার জমি দখল করে নেওয়া। Where is the car? Where is the car? This is a absolutely third case made out in the second appeal, my lord.
The statement which has been made through this diary, I am not still on that statement.
Why?
After this judgment and decree passed by the appeal court, London appeal court below, this has happened.
And my lord,
Your Lordship,
8th of April 2024.
appeal was dismissed 2023.
দেখছি
September 2023, 29th of September 2023. Thereafter, they preferred not the second appeal, that is true. But they did not choose list it under order. Admitted in your, yes,
2025 probably, yes.
16th of April 2024.
I file a second appeal.
These were materials were kept.
Yes, yes.
ঠিক আছে করুক না। And even my lord's order was there. Their ingress and egress my lord directed. There was no car. If they moved the car in 2024, they have done something illegal. If they admit to do so. They have not taken a affidavit to that their car is in no running condition. Well, the supplementary affidavit kept on record, my lord. Filed by the appellants, my lord. 25. But the special officer be released, my lord. The special. Yes, yes. The order.
My lord, remuneration is but incidental cost.
Yes, learned advocate for the appellant, respondent requested that the station officer incidental cost.
I'm grateful, man.